What's going on, everyone? It's Noah Moore, and listen, the 9 to 5 grind, it's not for everyone. In fact, I bet a lot of you watching right now are tired of the commute, tired of the office politics, and tired of feeling stuck. What if I told you there's a way to ditch the traditional job and become your own boss, all from the comfort of your own home? Yeah, it's totally possible. That's where becoming a virtual assistant comes in. It's one of the best ways to make money online, and the best part is you don't need any prior experience to get started. Some VAs are making six figures a year working from anywhere in the world. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to get started on your VA journey, from understanding what it actually involves to finding your first clients and making serious cash. So first things first, what exactly is a virtual assistant? Basically, a VA is like a superhero sidekick for entrepreneurs, businesses, and anyone who's crazy busy. Think about all the tasks that eat up your time. Managing emails, scheduling appointments, booking travel, creating presentations, handling social media. These are all things that VAs can take off your plate, freeing you up to focus on the important stuff. VAs can specialize in a ton of different areas. So if you're a whiz with spreadsheets, boom, you can be a virtual assistant for bookkeeping, love creating graphics, become a social media VA. The possibilities are seriously endless. All right, now that you know what a VA does, let's talk about the skills you already have that can make you an amazing one. I'm willing to bet you already have a bunch of skills that translate perfectly to being a VA, even if you've never thought about it before. First off, communication. Can you write a clear, concise email? Can you hop on a call and explain things effectively? Those are valuable skills for a VA. Next up, organization. Are you a master of to-do lists? Do you thrive on creating order out of chaos? Those organizational skills are pure gold in the VA world. If you know your way around programs like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or even Canva, you're already ahead of the game. You already have a lot to offer, and we're going to build on those skills to make you unstoppable. Speaking of which, let's talk about some beginner-friendly tasks you can start with. Chapter 3. Easy Money Beginner-Friendly VA Tasks. One of the easiest ways to get started is with email management. Seriously, so many entrepreneurs are drowning in emails, it's not even funny. As a VA, you can be the inbox hero who swoops in and saves the day, organizing, responding, and filtering emails like a boss. Another great option is data entry. It might sound kind of boring, but trust me, it's in super high demand. Social media management is another awesome choice, especially if you're a bit of a social media butterfly yourself. Creating engaging content, scheduling posts, and interacting with followers. It's all part of a day's work for a social media VA. And if you're good with words, content writing is a lucrative path you can take. And finding clients. Chapter 5. Landing your dream client. Building the perfect VA profile. All right, so you're on these platforms, but now you need to stand out from the crowd, right? That's where your profile or resume comes in. Think of it like your first impression, so you got to make it count. First off, keep it concise and easy to read. People should be able to understand what you offer within seconds of landing on your profile. Use bullet points, short paragraphs, and strong action verbs. Highlight your skills and experience, even if you're just starting out. Remember those skills we talked about earlier? Put them front and center. Next, showcase your personality. Let your potential clients know who you are and what you're passionate about. And finally, don't forget to proofread everything carefully. Typos and grammatical errors are a big no-no and can make you look unprofessional.
Outro, now go crush it. That's it, guys. Everything you need to know to kickstart your virtual assistant career. Remember, the demand for VAs is only going up, so there's never been a better time to jump in. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on starting your virtual assistant career. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Good luck on your journey to becoming a successful virtual assistant. Now go out there and crush it.